Hi everyone. So in this video you will learn how to check if a string contains an array of substrings. Let's open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. First will be script.js and second will be index.html. We need some code here. So let's generate that code like this. I'm basically using Emmet plugin to get this basic HTML structure. Now we need to refer to the script file. So let's make it script.js here. And here we'll start writing a code. So in first scenario, let's examine you have a list of couple of email domains. For example, gmail.com, yahoo.com and hotmail.com. You want to allow registration from only these email domains and you want to blacklist all others. So first we'll create a list of domains which are actually allowed. So let's make it valid domains. Great. So in the list, as I told you before, it will be gmail.com, hotmail.com and yahoo.com. So this is my list. Now let's create some random email and make it peter@gmail.com. So this is the allowed domain. Now let's create another variable result, and to check this we have to make use of valid domains array, then sum. Now it will take the domain and the email will check if that domain is there or not. Let's make use of console log and result. Now save this, open this file in the Chrome browser. So you can see we are getting a true here. So when you make use of this sum function, it basically check if any of them exist in this string. So gmail.com is there, we are getting true. If I'll make it some another domain, for example rediff.com, we'll get false. So this is one scenario. In another scenario, I want to check if all these strings are available in this string. So let's make this a little lengthy string and include all the domains here. So let's make it I have accounts at gmail.com, hotmail.com and yahoo.com. So I want to check if it contains all these strings. For that I have to make use of every here instead of sum. Now once you save it, you'll get true as a result. But if I'll remove any of them, for example this hotmail.com, now I have only two substrings available here, gmail.com and yahoo.com. hotmail.com is missing, so I'll get false. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.